Welcome to my honest review of TDS Telecom's fiber internet service. Today, I'll be sharing my personal experience with their offerings to help you decide if they're the right internet service provider for you. Upon visiting TDS Telecom's website, the first thing you'll notice is its clean and user-friendly design. The homepage prominently features their fiber internet services, boasting symmetrical upload and download speeds. They offer various speed tiers, including 300 megabits per second, 600 megabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and even up to 2 gigabits per second in select areas. This range of options caters to different household needs, from casual browsing to heavy streaming and gaming. Navigating through the site, I found it easy to locate information about their service packages, pricing, and availability. The Check Availability feature allows potential customers to input their address and see which services are accessible in their area. This is particularly useful, as TDS's fiber coverage varies by location. One aspect I appreciate is their transparent pricing. Each plan is listed with its corresponding monthly cost, and there doesn't appear to be any hidden fees disclosed on the site. However, it's always a good idea to read the fine print or contact customer service for confirmation. Speaking of customer service, TDS Telecom offers 24/7 technical support, which is reassuring for users who might encounter issues outside of regular business hours. They also provide a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing new customers to try out the service without a long-term commitment. Now, let's talk about user experiences. While TDS Telecom's website paints a promising picture, customer reviews tell a more nuanced story. On platforms like Yelp, TDS has an average rating of 1.2 out of 5 stars, indicating general dissatisfaction among customers. Common complaints include unreliable service, frequent outages, and subpar customer support. One reviewer mentioned that their internet service was frequently interrupted, and getting assistance from customer service was a frustrating experience. Another user expressed dissatisfaction with billing practices, stating that they were charged for services they didn't receive. On the flip side, some users have reported positive experiences, particularly with TDS's fiber service. A Reddit user noted that while the website and customer service had their issues, the fiber service itself was reliable and offered good speeds. This suggests that the quality of service may vary depending on the specific area and the type of service, fiber versus DSL, available. Many useful links you can find in the description. In terms of performance, those with access to TDS's fiber network generally report better experiences compared to those on DSL. Fiber customers often enjoy faster speeds and more reliable connections. However, it's important to verify whether fiber is available in your area before making a decision. Installation and equipment are also worth mentioning. TDS offers both professional installation and self-installation options, depending on your location. They provide equipment like modems and Wi-Fi routers, with options to rent or purchase. Some users have reported issues with installation scheduling and equipment setup, so it's advisable to communicate clearly with TDS during this process. In conclusion, TDS Telecom's fiber internet service has the potential to offer high-speed and reliable internet, especially in areas where fiber is available. However, customer experiences vary widely, with some users reporting significant issues related to service reliability and customer support. If you're considering TDS Telecom, I recommend checking the availability of their fiber service in your area, reading recent customer reviews specific to your location, and thoroughly reviewing the terms of service. This due diligence will help ensure that you make an informed decision that aligns with your internet needs. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.